Hi, we've had our children at Growing Stars since they were 3 years old, which was before they started school, and it has really been a wonderful experience and one of the best decisions that we've made because it allowed them to start and get an early on education. We have Miss Samia as their math teacher, and she has been wonderful, very fun and engaging, and has kept our children focused and really become more confident in their learning. And Miss Roshashara is for reading and writing comprehension, and she has really a creative approach, and we've had a wonderful experience with both our teachers. In general, we are in different time zones, so I love that Growing Star is very flexible with the hours, and we're able to collaborate and work well together to make sure the timing works out. And overall, anytime we have a problem, their customer service has been excellent. They're able to connect with us and help us resolve any issues. It has been a wonderful experience, and I really recommend Growing Stars to any parent who really wants to have a head start and make sure that their kids build confidence and can have a wonderful educational path ahead. Thank you.